In the German city of HANAU, they've run out of space for bodies in the hospital morgues. A cooled shipping container is being used to temporarily handle the overflow.
Unfortunately, the situation in HANAU has changed. We now need to make use of our containers that we have had here since April, initially as a precaution. Since yesterday, 2 COVID-19 deceased are here. In total, 25 deceased can be stored in the container, and sadly, we had to start using the container from yesterday.
Germany has lost its position as a role model for how to handle the pandemic well, though vaccinations are set to start after Christmas.
The imminent probable approval of the first vaccine naturally gives us hope, but obviously it won't solve the problem. And realistically, we need to be prepared that the months of January and February will be the hardest months of this pandemic.
Several European countries are deep in the grip of a second or perhaps even third wave of coronavirus. French President Emmanuel Macron continues his isolation after catching it.
Continue to be careful. On Thursday, I tested positive, which shows that the virus can really affect anyone because I am very protected. I am very careful, I respect distancing, I wear a mask, I regularly use hand sanitizer, and in spite of everything, I caught the virus. Surely due to a moment of inattention or a bit of bad luck, but that's the way it is.
Senior French government scientific advisor says vaccine rollout could take longer than thought. Don't expect a return to normal before late next year, Jean-François Delfrécy has warned. With more than 15,000 people in the UK currently hospitalised for coronavirus, the country is approaching the first wave peak of 18,000 hospitalisations. In any normal year, central London would be teeming with Christmas shoppers. But this, as we know, is no normal year. Londoners are among the 38 million people across the United Kingdom currently living under the toughest of the 3 coronavirus restriction tiers. Yes, there's a temporary relaxation for Christmas itself, so families can get together. But in many parts of the country, after that, the shutters are coming down again, and they're coming down harder. The cheer generated by being the first country to administer the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine has worn off already. Stopping the National Health Service becoming overwhelmed has again become a top priority. Rory, Challands, Jazeera, London.